What if we're going in between? Do you think we'd make it?
You like to go?
Hi! Good afternoon, everyone. It's a sunny day in the Pacific Northwest. We are heading to Tacoma right now. Look at this big truck! Get out of our way! We are going to Edgeworks. It's an indoor wall climbing. Going to meet Eric and Ninyam. You guys have met them in our previous vlogs. I am very excited. It is going to be my first time wall climbing. I hope I am fit to climb. See you guys later. Hi, so we are inside Edgeworks now.
Varsity Eric, oh. Sir. Sir, ni hugaw imong concert, oh. Ni hugaw.
Kanang makabangon pa kog ma.
So kami sa bouldering ni, wala ni PC. Stala ni. Yung numbers. May mga ribbon, colors.
Hyper.
Kalisod na siya, kalisod. So sa bouldering, V0 gina magsugod na pinakasayin V0 na V1 no.
Spider-Man!
Automatic lang.
Napahulog. Sa taas yan! Makabangon ng takog ma, Lord.
Ayan. Ina lang lang.
Push yan!
So what can you say your first ride?
Scary. Like, I can feel the tension. But I'm afraid to let go. Let it go. Take 2, he forgot to hit the play button.
Record.
I mean record button. We are so proud of ourselves. Chas! English te. Boom! Mga 5 ka-types. Among na-try. 5. Wala mi nag-expect. Yeah, wala mi nag-expect na makaya na mo.
So pag mas ka sa problem, nanakas na ito nga sa dako nga wall, okay kaniyan. Ano i-solve yun mo? It's a nga form. Yeah. Kuhan ba, dili upward yung lawas, dili lisod, dili ka save kag energy.
Although time consuming, but you're exerting less energy and lugar. So you hear it from the pro. We'll definitely be back for more. Yeah. Parang tagtag ko workout. Kapoy siya be, pero it's nice. Chas! I can't believe niya. Buto dito taas, oh. Dito, na, oh. Oh my God.
It's not easy doing wall climbing. Stretch your arms, but it's a good workout. I like it.
tired. It was fun though. I got so tired, but it's fun. I like it. I think it's a workout. Makes me realize I'm not fit. It's a good experience. It's my first time. Heading home.
My body's sore.